Hey guys, how's it going? Real quick video here. You ever go to take a wheel off a car and the lug nuts, they have that chrome cover that goes over it and they get swelled up a bit and then you can't get the socket on there? It'll just go on just a little bit because it's swollen up. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This design here. Here's your 19 millimeter and it will not go on. It only goes on a little bit. Then you go to try to take the lug off. If you did that, sometimes you'll actually strip out the end because the inner part doesn't come all the way out. So sometimes you'll round it off and destroy the lug nut. How many of you run into that before? I'm sure quite a few. Check this out. Some of you probably don't know about this. Goes right on. Perfect fit, right? 19.5 millimeter, half-size sockets. It's made by a company called CTA. I actually didn't even know it was a thing up until a couple of years ago. Once I found out about them, I actually went on Amazon and I bought a set. They do come in super handy on certain situations, not on everything. A lot of times you'll get lug nuts that are so swelled up you can't even get this on there. Those are the problem ones. Those are the ones you got to, beat the socket over top the chrome. Usually, you got to replace the lug nuts. At that point, I usually will get solid lug nuts instead of the ones with the chrome sleeve that goes over top of it. So anyway, this company, CTA. This is the kit I bought, and it's $14.63. They're not paying me to endorse this or anything else. I'm just showing you this is what I have in my arsenal. I've had this for a couple of years. And this socket, obviously, this is a 18.5 and a 19.5. And you have a 21.5 and a 21 on this one. This one's a 22 and a 22.5. This one's probably a 17. Oh no, that's a 19 and a 21. Straight up, so, okay. Now they do make 22s, 22.5s. I have seen those, but this kit fit what I needed to do, so that's why I bought this kit. And like I said, it does work, but it only works in very specific situations. Like these lugs are just swelled up enough to where a regular socket, like if I try to beat that thing on there to get these lug nuts off, I'd really be fighting with it. But at least this way, I can get these lugs off. See that? Now, I know you've fought with them before trying to get lug nuts off out of the socket once you do that. And sometimes you got to sit there and stick it in a vise and put a punch through the center of it and knock it out. What a pain in the neck that becomes. But anyway, yeah, I mean, those are pretty good. I'm not endorsing this company. I'm just saying that these are pretty good. I mean, you could buy it from whoever. I just happened to buy these from Amazon at the time. Probably 2-3 years ago, maybe. I don't even remember. But I just thought it was kind of interesting because I wound up using them in this car. I actually forgot about them because I use them so rarely. But anyway, so I thought it would be kind of interesting for you to see that. All right. Well, if you're getting something out of my videos, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.